Hello. In today's video, man, I'm going to be showing y'all how to use the perspective tool in Photoshop, man. So without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Now, I know this might be random to some of y'all, man, because I never done a Photoshop or thumbnail tutorial ever, bro. So yeah, I'm currently on the free trial for Photoshop, man. Maybe my dad might buy it or something for like a month, because this is a very good software, man. I'm telling y'all, do the free trial. I think it's 7 days free, man. Do that trial because Photoshop is amazing. So without further ado, if you're new to this, go ahead, hit new file up in the corner up here. Then you're gonna want to do HDTV 1080p because that's what you're doing for your thumbnails if you're creating a thumbnail. Press Ctrl H to get rid of these blue bars, and then you're gonna do Control and minus to zoom out, Control plus to zoom in. Okay, so then let's use one of my thumbnails. All right, man, so for today's tutorial we're going to be using this as an example, really. So say I wanted to put something like you want to make your Shinobi Striker icons look like 3D, or anything you want to look 3D, you could just move it around how you want. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to go ahead and load your PNG image that you are going to be doing. So for example, today I'm going to use my ranged build logo. Okay, boom, you're on Photoshop, resize it. Okay, then you're going to go ahead over to range build logo on the right, as you can see. Then you're going to want to right click on it. You're going to want to go over to up here. It's where it says convert to smart object. Now, when you convert it to a smart object, it allows you to use the perspective tool. So, which brings me to my next point. You're going to click on the image, the logo. You want to go up to edit, scroll down till you get to perspective warp. Now, click on perspective warp. Then it'll give you a little icon. So then you want to go ahead and click on one of the corners, drag it, and match it to like a box, because your icon's like a box, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm going to click warp at the top, as should you. At the top, next to image and all that, it says layout. You want to click warp. Then these pins change. That's when you want to go ahead and you can start moving it around however you want to. You see how it's 3D and all that. Look, I could make it like this if I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? I could do it like this, you know what I'm saying? Like anything like that. It's just cool. I love this tool, man. It's really inspirational. And like stuff like this, you can just move it around however you want, make it 3D however you want. You can go crazy with it. I don't know what just happened. That's how you use the perspective warp tool in Photoshop, and hopefully I'll do another tutorial on a different app soon. So yeah, man. All right, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, man. We got bangers, all Shinobi Striker bangers in, as you can see on my channel page right here, man. We've been on the grind. We got vlogs, Spider-Man, Life is Strange, all that good stuff. So go ahead and click this subscribe button that'll be over here, and click that bell notification button to get notified when I upload a video, man. It's been KTB here, man. Comment down below for more tutorials, things you think I should do, man, because I'm just trying to change up the channel a little bit, make it so different. But Shinobi Striker is my main, so nothing stopping that. Who gonna stop me? Peace, man.